best hosting or website templates in Hosting or Website Builder, because the best hosting or website templates in Hosting or Website Builder are here to spice things up. Stay tuned until the end. We've got the secret sauce to make your website. So the first template called Blick. Now Blick is an amazing website if you are using a landing page data analysis as well. It's an amazing website template. It uses very bold colors such as a pink and purplish colors. It uses a lot of whites as well to highlight your text, and it's an overall a very easy and good looking website. It also uses this gigantic hero section where you can go ahead and add a big headline or heading in order to convey your message as well. If you are looking for a good landing page template, then Blick is the go. It also, you can go ahead and switch the views from your desktop to tablet and even your mobile to see what it looks like, and honestly it looks really good. The next, Adelina, amazing website if you are trying to sell some products, pictures, some images, fonts, posters. It depends on you. Is a very good looking website. As you can see right here, it uses a very basic color scheme. It uses a lot of different fonts as well, which blend together to create an amazing looking website as well. You can go ahead and use this website template for a portfolio as well. So as you can see, you could have your own portfolio set up right here about pictures or videos, reviews, whatever you want. It is a great website to use to convey your work or your message. Like the previous website, it also uses a very purple color as well. I think purple is a good color and a very bold color to use, and it just pops on any background color, black, gray, white. It just works. So Adelina is a good website to use as a portfolio. Next, Good News. Now Good News is a great website if you're trying to create a blog or a news website. You can see it has multiple different categories set up, tags as well. You can go with activism, community, culture. It depends on you. And a very bold looking website as well. Very simple as at the same time. As you can see, you can have your blogs right here. You can have your titles, short description, date. It even has category as well, like education, innovation, activism. And if you are trying to find a website for your blog post or news website, Good News is a great template. Now, hosting your templates gives you a variety of different templates to choose from for different projects such as real estate or home decor, home renovation. Person is a good template to choose for that category. So as you can see, it is a very minimalistic website. Colors black and white or gray, depends on you. You can have big bold pictures over here to showcase your projects, homes. If you are gonna use it for real estate, then you can showcase all of your real estate options right here, as you can see as so. And you can go ahead and click on more. It also has a header where you can add other projects as well. Down below, it also has client feedback section. Play with it if you want to, but overall it's a good website to use for a real estate, a home improvement type of website. The next template, Provida. Now Provida is a great website template to use if you are trying to find a website template for traveling, travel blogs or travel videos, or just traveling in general. It uses a giant hero section right here where you can go ahead and add image of your recent travels, ventures, and as you can see, it's a very good looking website to use. You can add all of your recent travels, videos over here. You can divide them by different categories as well. You can go ahead and add a recommendation, places to go. You can see it's a very good looking website. It uses different colors and different fonts. It's very different from the previous websites that we have chosen, but it all blends together. It uses different types of fonts such as sans and sans serifs, different shades of greens to highlight your needs. The next website, Dawson Botch, is a very simple website. It is mainly used for medical purposes, such as creating a website for psychotherapist or anything related to mental illnesses or mental health type of website. And as you can see, it is a very simple and clean and elegant looking website. It has, I would say, different shades of white that compel together. It uses sans serif fonts which blend in with the entire website very perfectly in my opinion, and it's a very versatile website as well, so you can use it for your own clinic. Next up, Unitis. Now Unitis is a great amazing website template used for donations or charity events. Overall website is a very clean website. There's not a whole lot going on over here. It's very simple. Just use it and it has a clear focus right here. You can see it has a giant hero section. You scroll down and then you have the project, and you can go ahead and select a mission. You can go ahead and showcase what you are promoting, what you are helping for. You can go ahead and add it right here. It has a big donate button right here. You can just simply click on it. It'll take you to the donate section where people or customers can go ahead and donate any amount that they choose. You can play around with it and add a custom feature as well. But overall, Unitis is a very clean and clear, simple website for charity or donation. Next up, Lilo. Now, Lilo is a template mainly used for educational purposes, technologies. Its color palette is very different, very popping or bold, I would say. It uses blue and purple, white colors, which are mainly associated to technology type of website. Over here, you can see that it's a very simple website with good animations. It doesn't over clutter itself. You can go ahead and mess around with it and use it for your own website as well. You can also use it as a landing page for your own company as well. So you showcase all of your success and all of your data. It's a very simple website, as you can see, and it's a one-page website as well. From one page, you can go ahead and select all of the other that it offers. If you switch, and it's very fast as well. If you go ahead and switch between different pages, it looks really beautiful in my opinion. Want to create a cool website to promote your own music? Then Nyquist is the go-to template for that. Now, as you can see right here, Nyquist is a great website to choose for music, for your albums as well. As you can see right here, buy or listen to your music. You can add Spotify links or Apple Music or even other social media right here. You can go ahead and add all of your albums right here. Overall, it just looks really good. It uses bold headlines and fonts. Go ahead and capture the attention of your audiences as well. You can add locations for your concerts, whatever, and you can even add a small video showcasing your music. It's also a great website to use as a portfolio as well. And finally, Dorway. Now, Dorway relates to more industrial categories, implements more of a industrial approach to its website, and over here you can go ahead and use it for your own company or business as well. You can see you have different projects. You can go ahead and use them and lay it out for them. The color scheme of this website is very, very simple. It uses black and white. It uses the white background so to go ahead and highlight its text and images, blacks as well, and it uses the black section to highlight all of your projects. You can go ahead and add different services. You can add different careers, different projects as well. And overall, it's a very professional website if you are serious about your business, and it makes a bold statement as well. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment below about your experience, and don't forget to subscribe and watch these next videos as well.